My name is Benita Brandy, and I'm so glad to see all of you here. This is such a huge event. How about this locker room? I mean, seriously. This is amazing. We're so thrilled. And all of you and so many others made this possible. First of all, I just want to kind of give you an overview. We have a video that my husband Jason Brandy put together, so let's take a look at the history.
Scotty!
Thanks for coming in, everybody. This is a monumental moment. It's the beginning of the tradition of the Highland program, the locker room. This room right here. Captain.
What do you think, Captain?
It's very nice. It's very nice.
You got yours picked out?
All right, and here we are. How about that? Isn't it wonderful? All right, first of all, you saw the people in this video, and I want to call them up right now. Athletic Director Pat Oren. Huge. This would not have happened without him. Okay, where is Pat? Come on up. Jay O'Neill. Parent Jay O'Neill. I tell you, that guy has a vision, he has a dream, he gets it done. Come on up, Jay. We gotta have have you up here. Seriously, this would not have happened without you. Tom Blint. Wow. The hours that he spent in here, amazing. Amazing. And these beautiful lockers, I just get teary-eyed thinking about them. Randy Lindstrom. His gift of putting this together made this possible. Thank you so much, Randy. All right.
Besides these guys, there's also who helped, but there's a lot of alumni that also came in and helped, and I want to mention them. We had Mike Mountain came in and taped the wall. He was a '74 graduate. Tom Funk, who played probably on one of the better Highland teams ever had, Highland hockey team. He came in and lacquered all of these, the wooden benches. So we were sitting over there while he did all the lacquering. So we had the easy job, and he'd come in every once in a while and take the hood off, and he was just full of, it was a mess. So we do have a lot of volunteers, and we want to thank everybody. And if I did miss anybody, I apologize. But and one more, Dr. Tucker, he was good enough to let us go into the wood shop and do a lot of the work. Where wood shop teacher left, so we had access to that. So thank you. Yeah, I mentioned Mark. You should be up there.
Come on up.
A little history here. I graduated in '82, but Mark graduated in 1980. We played hockey together in high school, and then we got reunited about 4 years ago coaching the Bantam team up here at Highland Central Hockey Association. And I enjoyed working with him, and at that time I was the assistant coach, and I brought him on board, and I think it's going to be a great addition. We're looking forward to more success. Okay. And Mark was on the radio today. He's a star.
I think that speech, okay, it'll be a short one. I'll save the long speeches for the season. I'd like to thank everyone for coming. It's very humbling to be a part of such a great group of parents. And I was talking with a reporter today, and I just said, I'm basically riding the coattails of the great parents of the program. And it's been easy for me to just be told what to do and go do this and go do that, or help out with this and that. But without a great group of parents, I don't think a lot of this would be possible. And so for them, I'm truly appreciative. And I think it's going to be a great year, and we're looking forward to using this locker room. And also a great community of businesses that have participated in making this happen, and the generosity of people donating time and money. So it's been very rewarding. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
These are more workers at one time. I would like to recognize some of the dignitaries in the audience. Dr. Tucker, we'd like to have you come up and say a few words. We sure appreciate you being here and supporting us as we put this together.
Well, I don't think I'm a dignitary, but thank you. I've never been called that. I've been called a lot of things as a principal, but never a dignitary. But thank you. This is just an amazing, amazing locker room. And again, thank you to the parents and the community and the businesses and the alumni for providing this for our students, both our present students and future students as well. This is really exciting to have a growing and strong hockey team here at Highland Park Senior. It's a great part of the culture, and it's a fun event. It's fun to see the kids come out. And again, students, let's give the parents and everybody who did this a huge round of applause. It really shows how much they care and how much they support the school, how much they support the community, and how much they love and care about every one of you. So this is really awesome. Thanks, and we're really, really proud, and really proud of the program and the coaches and all the work that's been done. So thank you, Benita.
Thank you so much, Dr. Tucker. We want to thank the county as well. The representatives weren't able to be here, but Sarah and John at the county were super helpful as we put this together. And now I want to thank Councilmember Chris Tolbert for being here as well. Please come forward. Former hockey player.
Well, thank you all for having me on behalf of St. Paul. I'm excited. Shut me off already. I can go on for a while. I want to congratulate you guys on this beautiful locker room. I wish I had a locker room like this when I was playing. One thing I do, there is one problem with this locker room. Does anyone recognize what's wrong with this locker room?
It doesn't smell.
Exactly. This locker room doesn't smell. There's something wrong. I actually like the smell, but this is a great story. I think I was saying this reminds me of kind of a small town story of all the parents coming together, and it's kind of like a hockey. We all came together. We got a few lucky bounces, team effort. Everybody we came out with a win, you know, and that's what everyone kind of says about this. And it's a great story. This is a great locker room. They put you in the first class locker room, you better win this year, right? No pressure on that, but congratulations, this is a great addition to the neighborhood. As a former hockey player who played Highland Central all the way up and then played Highland Central before it disbanded, it's great to be able to go to a public school and still play hockey, because you shouldn't have to go to Cretin or the Academy or SPA to play hockey, and I hope you guys know how special that is, because when they lost that team, a lot of us alumni were pretty sad about it, so savor it and keep the team. Good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. All right, let's get this ribbon thing going. Don't mess with me, I got these scissors. All right, we need Riley, our captain, up here. We need Coach Prokop. We need Athletic Director Pat Oren, Councilmember Tolbert, Dr. Tucker. Jay, I would like to see Randy up here. Get over here. Tom Blinn. We need you up here too. All right. I need help holding one end of it. Charlie, you want to help here?
Okay. Serious scissors. All right.
Grab a hold of the ribbon.
All right, on behalf of the entire Highland Park Senior High School community, on behalf of the students, the parents, the staff of the faculty, we're here to induct this locker room before it doesn't smell, for a wonderful season.
Thanks to all of you who supported us along the way. We sure appreciate it. And the best part is, I think of that little Mike kid who's just starting out at Highland Central Hockey, and now look what he's got to look forward to. So thank you so much, everybody. And enjoy! We've got more bands and lots of beer and wine.
Where I come from isn't all that great. My automobile is a piece of crap. My fashion sense is a little whack, and my friends are just as cool as me. I didn't go to boarding school. Preppy girls never looked at me. I should be. I ain't nobody that I'm not in Beverly Hills. That's where I wanna be. Beverly Hills, Beverly Hills. Rolling like a celebrity. Beverly Hills. Look at all those movie stars. They are so beautiful and clean. When the housemates scrub the floors, they get the spaces in between. I wanna live a life like that. I wanna be just like a king.